Section 6, Video 4. Subtracting rational expressions. We have a subtraction sign, so change that to plus and put the negative with the numerator. If we can simplify, let's do that first. And I can only simplify vertically, so I have an x here. I can take away an x there, and I get 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And that leaves us with 6x over 5 plus a negative 3 over 2x squared. Again, I cannot cancel diagonally because this is not a multiplication of fractions. Common denominator here, I have a 5 in one denominator and a 2x squared in the other. Our common denominator will be 10x squared. Now how do I get 10x squared? Because I have to have a 5 present, a 2, and an x squared present. 10 is the least common multiple between 5 and 2. Now I have to change each one. The first fraction needs to become, it is a 5, it needs to become 10x squared. So I need to multiply it by 2x squared. Top and bottom, and we get 12x cubed. Second fraction needs to become 10x squared, so I multiply top and bottom times 5, and I get minus 15. And that is our simplified fraction after addition, or subtraction rather. Next one, same thing. Change the plus, or the negative, the subtraction to a plus, or addition problem. Put the negative with the numerator, and when it's a binomial, we have to remember to distribute. So if I rewrite this, I have 3a over 5 plus a negative a minus 3 over 3a plus 6. Now, there's nothing we can cancel here, so our common denominator will be 5. And I'm not going to rewrite this distributed. I'm just going to show us visually that our common denominator is going to be a combination of those two. So again, it's just the 5 has to be present and the 3a plus 6 has to be present. Combine them and you get your common denominator with multiplication. So the first fraction needs 3a plus 6 to be multiplied by it to get that equivalent. Top and bottom, multiply top and bottom by 3a plus 6, and that will give us, it is a distribution question, so we'll get 9a squared plus 18a. The second fraction just needs to be multiplied by 5. But again, we have a distribution which gives us negative 5a minus 15. We have a couple of like terms here that we can put together, and that would give us 9a squared plus 13a, when you combine these two, minus 15 all over 5, and then 3a plus 6. And this ends Section 6, Video 4.